Right, good morning everyone. Okay, so I've been asked to show you how to put these together. Now if anyone's bought these particular pearls with the little bobble that goes with it, they didn't know how to put them together, so I'm going to share that with you. Now if you want to make this into like to hang from a tassel, I'm using the elongated rice bead. You can thread those on first. I'm just going to do one. Make one tassel to show you how to do it. So whatever bead you're using, you need to put your beads on first, and then you will pop that down the neck of the large pearl teardrop. You pop the loop, your needle through the loop on the little bead, see there, and then you have to thread it all the way back through all of those, and you see what it's done. It's like a stopper. And that's how you do them. I know people have found it, well, the lady that's asked for it, she didn't know what to do, but that's how you do it. Hopefully I can get that through there, like that, and then we put it through all the others as well, like that. And there you go. That's how you've got the start for your whatever tassel you're making. Now you can do obviously other beads here. You don't need to just use like a rice bead, but I've just done that to show you how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that again. I'm not sure if I can do it from here, can I? I might be able to do it from here actually. Let me just see. Bring that down a little bit and pull that. Right, so I might be able to do more than one and leave that showing there. So it's 1, 2, 3 of those, pull them through. Then we go down the neck of the bead of the large pearl, put the little stopper on, and then we have to go back through. I'm going to keep hold of that so they don't disappear. Thread that back through, and then back through there, and they're just bead stoppers basically, so you can make whatever it is you want to make. And just going to pull that tight, pull that one tight, and then maybe I can, oops, where did that go? Come here. We can just do that. And just make a little knot. Several knots if you want. And then when you're putting it onto the fabric or under the flower, you can just glue this section and put that under, and they can dangle like that. But that's how you do them, and it's really quick and easy and simple, like that. I'm going to have to do another one because I'm going to make that into a tassel. Actually, I'm going to make it into a bag charm, I think. Maybe we'll do that, I don't know. So let's have a look. Some of these, oh, that one didn't work, did it? Put that on there. Some of these are a bit blocked on the ends. So I'm going to do 4 for this one because I want it to dangle from the middle section. Oh, I don't want them, if they're tight I won't get them back through. So we've got 4 of those down the neck of the large pearl, through the little loop on the bobble, and then we go back where we started, back through the main pearl, back through the rice beads, like that, and then I can use this for any projects that I want. Now I'm going to be showing you shortly how to do a lace book using doilies and lace and one of our own pictures, but I'm not doing it right now because I am really busy and in the middle of doing things. So I'm going to take one of these little bead caps like that. I'm going to cut this. Let's just knot that first, take it off the needle, and we'll put a couple of knots in that like we did the other one. Like that. I'm going to take hold of both of these. So you can see I'm going to have that in the middle. So hopefully that's how it will hang. Just snip all them off so they're all the same. Only to get them through the bead cap, I think, if I can. Hopefully. It's a little bit hard once they're already taken off and cut. See, it's only a small hole. See if we can find one that's a little bit bigger. Here's one. I'll do this one. I hope. Oh, I've got one through. Right, hang on. I've got to try and get them all through. Ah! Yeah, so I've got that one through, that one through. One more, mate. It's got caught just there. There's one missing. Let's get that one through. That's what you've got to remember if you're doing things like this. They have to fit through the holes. Ah. It will work, and I should have kept it on the needle. But it doesn't matter. Just bear with me. I can't see for one thing. That's one of the main things. Yep, got it. Have I? Yes. Okay, so now we've got all of them through, and we need to pull them off the edge there. It's caught somewhere. There we go. So we do that. Oh, there's another one. Right. We put it back on the needle. Do it that way. Sorry, I'm just flattening it to get it through the needle. You do it any way you have to. Oh, trouble is with me, I can't see. I am so sorry, but a lot of what I do is trial and error. Right, there we are. We've got it through. So now we've got all 4 bits through, and we're going to pull them, even if we have to do them one at a time. That's done, and that's done. And see how they'll fit in the cap like that. Now, I need to do that one a little bit more. Maybe I shouldn't have knotted them to start with, but hey. Right, hang on. Like that. And there you go. We've got them on anyway. So, and you can make little tassels and have them dangling off things and things like that. So I'm just going to leave, I'm going to knot mine actually, because I want to hang mine from my book, but it will be covered. You won't see the dark threads. It will be covered. So I'm just going to do that and then snip that, and that will hang from a book. But that's how you do them. And I need to clean my floor up as well. I keep dropping things on the floor because my fingers don't move. They're not hurting at all. They're just, they need to, once I start moving them, I'm fine. But yeah, and that's, we're selling these. You get, I think it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I think it's, oh, these are mine. So I think it's a bag of 24 of the large pearls, and you get 24 of these little things, stoppers, that go in the ends like that. And that's basically why that these pearls have got a large opening at one end. But that's how you do them, just to attach that. Okay, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.